I placed my class 4 breeding gilts 1, 3, 4, 2. One had very round ribs, had great capacity, was long, had a flat top, big boned, and good muscling in front. Although she did have a little bit of a posty walk. I will admit that 3 was better than 1 due to she was a little more flexible, had a wider ham, and was also very long, but she had very posty front legs and no muscling in her front end, and not as much capacity. For my middle pair, 3/4 because 3 had a butterfly shaped back, nice wide hams, flexible, good ribs, good capacity. Although I will say that 4 was better than 3 in the stance of her legs. But 4 didn't have much body depth or capacity, not much, pretty flat in the ribs, so not the best for breeding. My bottom pair I placed 4/2 because 4 had a flat back. Both of them, their vulvas were correctly structured. 4 was pretty wide and her legs were correct. I will say 2 was better than 4 due to a better top line and a good underline. But I placed 2 as last because she had a very posty walk. Her legs were in, not underneath of her squarely. Had a light frame, so not much body capacity, and skinny and not much ham width. Thank you.